So before we use Interactive Broker's TWS API, we need to configure TWS to listen for API connections. By default, TWS is not configured to do so. So let's take a look at the configuration steps. Log into your Trader Workstation account, go to File, click on Global Configuration, click on API, click on Settings. Check this first option, Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients. Make sure the second option, Read-Only API, is unchecked. Make note of this socket port number. By default, TWS assigns a socket port number of 7497 to paper trading accounts and 7496 to live accounts. This is just a default number that TWS assigns. This is because these two ports are generally available. If you want to use another port, you can do so. Just make sure that you use the same port number in the Python application that you run to connect with TWS. Another important setting is at the bottom over here. So when you run an application that connects with TWS, TWS will by default open a dialog where you need to accept the incoming connection request. If you want this process to happen automatically, you can select Allow Connection Request from Local Host only. This will allow connections from your local machine to automatically be accepted by TWS. Or if you want connections made from some other machines to be accepted automatically, you can add the IP addresses of those machines over here. Click OK.